Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Sangle, All India Rank 452, UPSC Civil Services Examination 2022. In my UPSC journey, I have cleared prelims 7 times, appeared for interview 2 times in 2020 and 2022, and finally got selected in 2022. Some of the milestones or achievements of my UPSC journey are clearing prelims for the 7 times, scoring one of the highest scores in some of the subjects in mains, like in essay, in my first mains, I scored 141 marks, and in 2020 mains, I scored 131 marks. In GS1 in 2022, I scored 110 marks, and many more such things. In interview also, between two interviews in 2020 and 2022, I improved my interview score by 44 marks. Since February 2025, I am a full-time educator and mentor for UPSC Civil Services aspirants. We have launched our channel UPSC Simplified by Pallavi Sangle on YouTube and also started our Telegram channel. There are lots of initiatives going on both the platforms, and I have designed all these initiatives based on my expertise and experience in UPSC preparation over a decade. Each and every initiative is designed to help UPSC aspirants in a very thorough manner. Come and explore all these initiatives today. Apart from my UPSC journey, I would also like to give my background introduction. I am BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Virginia, Mumbai, and Masters in Public Health from Tata Institute of Social Science, Mumbai. I have worked as Chief Minister Fellow for Government of Maharashtra, and I have also worked as a Health and Wellness Officer for Tata Electronics, Hosur, Tamil Nadu. As my interest lies in mental and emotional well-being, I have done Emotional Intelligence Certification course and worked as an Emotional Intelligence coach for RIM Institute, Pune. I have also worked as a consultant for Karta Initiative for their Eklavya Model Residential School initiative. With all this experience in diverse field and all the experience in UPSC, I am very sure I will be able to guide aspirants in a very thorough manner. Please join UPSC Simplified community today and experience the difference in your preparation. Thank you.